It's Madan.
Hi, I'm Ashok.
We are OET trainers at Medcity International Academy.
We had our first workshop at Kottayam, 6th September 2019, which was very successful and we had a great response from the students.
On popular demand, we have second edition of OET Exploration Day, a one-day workshop at Kochi. Ashok, what are the usual questions you get from students?
The frequent questions asked by the students about OET updated criteria. They still have a lot of queries and needs better clarifications in updated writing criteria.
I see.
So what about you, Madan?
I always get questions related to speaking. Students have a lot of problems just to know how to start a conversation with the interlocutor, and they have doubt about what is exactly assessed in speaking. Is that just a task or is that just a language?
Alright. This is why we are conducting a workshop on updated writing criteria, where we also will be providing tips and strategies for listening, reading and speaking as well.
The registration for this workshop is completely free and students will get a free study material with a free writing guide.
So why late? Let's meet on 28 September 2019 at EMS Memorial Town Hall near North Ernakulam Railway Station, Kochi.
Don't forget, registration starts at 9 in the morning.
Thank you.